Major other big airlines. I thought I lost my life.
I mean, to be fair, like, I feel like if I had a way, he'd listen to it anyway. So, right, let's get going before these shops shut and I don't get to think, oh, so happy. And there's so many different moments. At the wedding, we can all be telling this lovely story.
Every street's kind of set.
Yes, okay, we're here, $7.
Scott, it's your favourite shop. You let Scott.
Yeah, we might be doing actually, yeah. No, well, okay, let me, I'll chat to you.
When they said the theme.
Well, it looks like an eating place.
Dangerous going to get in. Leicester Square? No, I saw a underground thing.
Dove vai?